Hey guys, last week I made the lime cane tutorial and today I am going to make the key lime pie by using the cane as decoration. This is a fun and easy tutorial, so don't forget to check out the materials under the description box. I started by combining champagne and brown clay together for the crust. You can make the crust darker or lighter depending on your preference, just like the real thing. After mixing the clay, flatten it to no more than 2 mm thick. Next, I am going to use this wavy cutter from Fimo brand to cut and make the crust. Add cornstarch or baby powder on the cutter to prevent the clay from sticking. Place the clay on top of the cutter and press it down using a rolling pin. Remove the clay carefully from the rolling pin and then place it flat down. Cut or slice to 3 mm high and remove the excess clay. Add texture using a toothbrush, a cocktail stick, or steel brush. And don't press too hard so not to lose the structure or the grooves. After adding the texture, you can add shade to the clay by mixing brown, ochre yellow, and orange chalk pastel. Then set it aside. For the lime filling, mix white, translucent white, and green to create a very light green color. Then, flatten the clay and adjust the size accordingly. Make sure it doesn't cover the whole plate because you still need to add the crust. Take the crust and wrap it around the filling. Remove any excess clay and close the seam. Then set it aside. Next, I am going to add the decoration. You can design your own pie decoration however you like it. As for me, I made a simple white frosting. If you like, I have a tutorial for different frosting design, so please check it out if you want to learn more. So here are the sliced cane that I made last time. Before I added the decoration, I added a liquid clay to keep the decoration in place after baking it. Once you are satisfied, completely bake the clay. Let it cool and add glossy varnish. That's it guys. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Good luck and have fun with your new project. Bye bye and see you next time.